Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to have multiple Chrome browser on your PC. For example, now on this my PC I have this Chrome browser here doing something, and I also have this Chrome browser here doing different things, and I also have this Chrome browser here doing different things. So what I'm trying to say is that you can have different Chrome browser on your PC and each of them will be doing different things. So how do you do that? So each of them will look like a different unique browser on their own, whereby you can do different things without interfering with the other browser. You can have different why do you really want to have different browsers? Sometimes you want to have for work and sometimes you want to have for home, or you have different projects that you're working on and you want to have different browser for them. So the first thing you want to do is that you click on these three dots up here, then you want to go to the first thing you want to do, you want to click on this clone icon, this icon here. No matter what I put this image in, your settings might be your own image from your email that might be here. So you want to click on this icon. Okay, you want to click on this icon, and here you can see I have all this profile. You can see these other profiles. So here you can click on add profile. Then in your add profile you can sign in. If you are signing in, you are going to it's going to sign in. Then if you're not signing, you have to say continue without an account. So what you want to do, you can see sign in, so you can have your account stored in your Chrome email, or you can continue without an account. So yeah, you are going to name the profile whatever you want to learn it. For here I'm going to say lesson. So next is you want to select a theme. You can select a color theme, whatever color theme of your choice. Then do you want to have a desktop? You want to create a desktop shortcut. I'm gonna leave it like this, so you're gonna see what that means. There's gonna be a shortcut on your desktop that you can click on to have access to this your Chrome profile that you just created. But most times I pin mine to taskbar. So next you want to click on done. Yeah, as you can see, this your Chrome browser is already created. So now you have a new Chrome profile in which you can even sign in a new Gmail of your choice. Yeah, in which you can sign in a new Gmail of your choice. Now if I go to my desktop over here, so if I go back to my Chrome browser over here, I have lesson. As you can see, if I click this lesson, it opens, and I still have my other profile open. So this is how to create a Chrome browser, and I'm really sure you're going to find this useful to separate a lot of things that you're doing, and you can even sign in multiple Gmails and have each account for whatever project you are working on. If you're watching this video for the first time, please kindly click like this video, subscribe, comment on this channel for more videos you want me to create. Have a very nice and wonderful day. Thanks for watching.